this. Could dark energy or matter, dark matter or dark energy, is it possible to manipulate it, to use it as a fuel of some sort? Interesting.
So here's the problem. Dark energy, we don't know how to interact with it. We just measure its effects on the universe. Dark matter reveals itself to us through its gravity.
Okay.
But it doesn't reveal itself to us in any other way that we normally interact.
So we can see its effects, but not what it is itself.
Not materially.
Not materially.
That's correct. Because materially, what do? You touch it,
right.
You pinch it,
right.
You weigh it.
Right.
I mean, you put it on, you grab it, piece of it, put it on a scale. You do all of this, and dark matter, in order to have something, you are this person called Chuck.
Right.
Because all your atoms are all attached to each other.
Thank God.
Okay?
Yes.
They're all there.
Right.
Dark matter not only doesn't attach to your atoms,
right,
it doesn't attach to itself.
Ooh.
So, as far as we know, there are no lumps of dark matter out there.
Right.
There are no dark matter planets.
Right.
No dark matter galaxies.
In the cosmos that is oatmeal, there are no lumps of dark matter.
You don't like lumps in your oatmeal?
No, I do not. I used to as a kid because you would roll them in sugar, then eat them like oatmeal candy. But go ahead. Sorry.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, that was early. You were early out of the box with granola.
Yeah.
Those are rolled oats, with dipped rolled in sugar.
So you
and
take the oatmeal lump, you roll it in some sugar, and you eat it.
Yeah,
It's
that was
candy.
all right.
So there you go. All right.
Yeah. So we have no way to harness it in that sense.
Gotcha.
If you can't grab it because your hand goes straight through it,
right,
and it doesn't give itself any kind of density,
sweet.
So you can't.
There's nothing you can do right. So you can see it.
No, you can see its effects.
Its effects. You can see its effects, but you can't see it, and you can't interact with it.
It is literally invisible.
Wow.
Because not only do your molecules and atoms not interact, light doesn't interact with it.
Oh my gosh.
And light and molecules and atoms are all related to each other.
Correct.
Okay, they all interact. You reflect light.
Right.
Some light goes through you, but gets absorbed inside of you, like
right.
X-rays go into your bones, and they can see this on a map. They shadow your bones.
I absorb a little more light than most, I will say.
That's true. Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. It's called albedo.
Wait a minute.
We have a word for that.
Albedo.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. If you have an albedo of 1,
right,
you reflect 100% of the light that hits you.
Not to be confused with libido.
If you have an albedo,
if you have a libido of 1,
that's. If you have an albedo of 0, you absorb everything that comes to you. That would be a black hole.
If you have a libido of 0, you are married. Go ahead.
How many more libido jokes can you fit into a minute?
I can't help it. I don't know what it is, but go ahead. Albedo.
So the point is, albedo. So albedo, it's the ability of a surface of something to reflect light.
Okay.
That's all. And it's a percent. So 1 would be 100%.
Nice.
And 0, 0. So the moon has a very low albedo. As bright as it can be, it doesn't reflect much light.
Wow.
Yeah, it's like 10% of the light. I forgot the exact number, but it's absorbing most of the rest of it.
Wow.
Yeah. So, where was I? All I'm saying is, if you can't grab something and put it in a box,
you can't harness it.
You can't. We don't know how to harness it. Right. We need some other way that we invent. Once we figure out what it is, we might be able to find a dark matter trap.
How do you figure out what something is if you can't interact with it?
I know. Thank you.
He's like, welcome to my world.
I know. Thank you. This is the longest unsolved problem in astrophysics. It's been with us since 1936.
Wow.
Yeah.
Dude, that is amazing. That is really cool. Oh,
I'm just saying.
So the guy who figures that out,
or the person, the human.
You're right. I shouldn't say guy. I don't know how to say. We're living in 2020 now. I should. The person who figures that out, that person is going to win a Nobel Prize ×10.
Yeah, the person who figures out what dark matter is.
Right.
And then ideally we can control it, manipulate it, put some in a box. That'd be cool.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.